Hi everyone, this is a review for your tests tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get started. This is chapter 8 in Enslaved People. So when Egypt came home, the Israelites were still living in the land of Goshen, as promised by the Pharaoh that was there at the time of Joseph. They lived there for a long time until a Pharaoh came in that did not know their story. He was afraid because the Israelites had become so many of them. He was afraid that they were going to take over. So he enslaved them and made them build large monuments, buildings, and made them work long hours in the fields. He also refused to let them worship God. So the Israelites cried out for help. So then we get Moses entering the picture. The Israelites are still growing in size, and the Pharaoh commanded that the Israelites throw their newborn male babies in the river, because remember, they are the ones that are going to grow into soldiers. A woman made a basket. This ends up being Moses' mother, but she makes a basket out of reeds, puts tar on the bottom, and puts her baby in the basket near the shore. The Pharaoh's daughter finds this baby, names him Moses, and raises him as her own. In Moses' new role, Moses grows up and one day discovers an Egyptian soldier beating a Hebrew. This made him angry, and he ends up killing the Egyptian. He then runs away to Midian because he's afraid the Pharaoh will kill him. He meets his wife Zipporah, marries her, and starts a family. His job is a shepherd. One day, he saw a burning bush, and he realized it wasn't actually burning. He hears the voice of God from it. God tells him that he has to go back to Egypt and to save the Israelites. God tells him to say that I am sent him. So Yahweh, remember that Yahweh is a very holy name. So Moses and Aaron, his brother, go to Egypt to speak to the Pharaoh. The Pharaoh refuses to release the Israelites and then takes their tools away from them, making it hard for them to do their work. God promises to send this great acts of judgment against the Egyptians, also called the plagues. So the 10 plagues, in order, are the river blood, frogs, gnats, flies, disease, boils, hail, locusts, darkness, and death of firstborn. All right, so we've gone over all the other plagues, but remember the 10th plague is the most important. The Israelites were to kill a lamb, put their blood on the lintel, which is the doorframe outside their house, eat the lamb with bitter herbs and unleavened bread, stay inside, pack up, and be ready to leave. God came through at midnight, killing every firstborn Egyptian child, male child, that is, firstborn Egyptian male, child, adult, and animal. The Pharaoh then demanded the Israelites leave. The actual Exodus, the Israelites left. God was leading them by day as a column of cloud and at night as a column of fire. The Israelites get close to the Red Sea, and the Pharaoh changes his mind and sends his soldiers to get the Israelites. Moses is able to part the sea so the Israelites get across and then closes it on the Pharaoh and the Egyptians, killing them all. So that's your basic review of chapter 8. This will be followed by some questions in Edpuzzle. So make sure that you do those as well and make sure you're reviewing for your test. Have a great day.